my brother. Me, I can't wait to go. It's not that the rest are not coming. If they're not ready for this meeting, let us go home. I have things to do at home.
Let us calm down. As it is, let me know waste your time. I thought over it very well before I decided to come and meet you. I feel it is high time. No, I know it is high time you all make me the chairman of this ghetto. Yes, because I cannot see anybody who is capable enough to do it like me. So that is why I called for this meeting.
Chief is enough. Now I understand why the others refuse to come. I'm sure they have heard. Well, I want to let you know that we respect you a lot. We have so much respect for you, and even we know your personality. But it is not possible. You are a stranger, or you are okay. You cannot just come from your place and come and be rolling over us here. No. If we want somebody among us, we will get, not a stranger.
Why can't I be the chief? Tell me, why can't I be? I am rich. I may go poto. So rich and famous. And I have all the connections that once I make one phone call, this
and yet you cannot be Awawua. It's not possible. Hey. At least excuse me. Now it has been confirmed. This is why others did not come. How will you just call this come and telling us this nonsense? You, a foreigner, just come here, want to come and be a chairman. Listen to me. It will not happen. Is that why you called for this meeting? I have better things to do in life. Come with me. I'm going to quit zoo.
Get back to you. Don't be offended.
If we get back to me, it will not be fun like this. More.
Your face made me look cool.
Let's go. Oh,
my friend. Till you talk this morning. You won't kill yourself.
So you think he will just wake up and think he can do anything? The man that will just think and say he wants to be the chairman of this community. Are you aware that he's not even a Benin man? Or you aware? Or the wicked? No, now it's impossible.
That man is a dangerous man. Oh.
See, I don't care. See, don't worry. Don't worry. Not when I am still alive. He cannot ever be chairman in this community. My brother, don't worry. Yeah. As far as I still have breath in me, I'm still living. It will not happen. You could. Thank you.
Chief.
I called you here because I have a good business for you. Because I know they give birth to you here. You are like a son of the soil. I need to be the chairman of this area. And Empire, if I'm the chairman of this area, you'll be the lady of this area. That is, nobody will mess with you. I'm the one telling you. But it's not going to be easy, that's why I need you. So what do you have to say?
Well, Chief, the fact say you recognize me as the daughter of the soil. Uwadiae pataki. I like you for that one, I appreciate you. But me, you no worry. Oh. You see anything we concern money and power. Now they're there for the see me. I know they lose guard for that one. Based on who I be for this ghetto. But so, Chief, make I ask you one question. I don't understand. What's so? What to make you just get interest with this our ghetto? Not this small ghetto. What to make you get interest? They hear me, make I hear you.
Empire, the empire.
Chief. Can it be that?
I am Chief Ezo Wabunafo. You make a near one of my land. The other one a baby or not chiochi. Let me speak in English. I am that animal you shoot and it will smile. Empire.
Chief.
You see that place where they have that those palm trees just died?
Okay. Yes.
It's crude oil.
Chief! And nobody know.
Uwadiae.
Chief, just last your mans. Eh? For this matter where you just talk so eh? Okay, oh, Chief, in case you don't understand, what I mean say people wey go die for this village for this matter, you go too plenty.
Good. Good. And to support this word you just said, once I get back home, 1 million naira is coming to you.
Oh my God, Chief! You dey do Okani dey show! I trust you, no worry. Just relax, I did your back. I did loyal to you.
Hear from me.
Alright now.
Enjoy.
I did this cabana. See you later now. Okay.
Amadi Rowawa. Come. See, Amadi Motiwe. I called because I want to let you know that very soon you will leave this ghetto to a better place. Eh? I don't want you to live your life in this ghetto. This environment is not good for you. Emma.
If I'm not so sure I come up for the ghetto, I come up for the ghetto. If I come up for the ghetto, I do my friend to say, I come out live on.
Amadi, you see, this is what I'm talking about. You cannot even speak good English. Nowhere.
Speak over.
Amadi, see, I want you to go to school. So that you can become a doctor. Doctor no anyway.
If I never say that doctor won't no sweet me, but if I do the doctor now, I'm so doctor, because since you know they plan the doctor. But you plan the doctor quick now.
Amadi, I go quick planner, yeah?
But you plan the doctor quick, man come out, it's not come out, you push me come up for us.
I want something better for you. You speak English, you fall for zinc. I'm not saying, talk well. Go inside.
But you plan a quick.
I will. If I plan a quick, English. Is it enough for whatever you call yourself? I want you to know that I am not moved. Now take your stupid money and get out of my house. You think you can buy my conscience? Let me tell you, you will never be chairman in this community. You will never rule this community, not when I am still alive. It will not happen.
I don't know why. Anywhere empire dey, blood dey always dey flow. Blood dey flow.
Where them where? Obiye dobiye sese. Wale lobi eko wa zuo. Ebu here. Shameless thing.
Epa. By 9, you suppose all know say your reign don't come to pass. Amen. Matthew for this community. This ghetto, your leadership is over. Men now want to take over.
Who go I go also? Where I take over? Where them move?
Edo.
Not spell my name. Who be Edo? My name is Edo.
Sorry. Edo. Nah. I came to you the first time so that we would talk business. You took me out. I came again because nah, you see this matter on the ground. I must be. And now you are talking like this. Wait, Edu, alright?
Edu.
Oh, Edu. It is said that the monkey that decides to patiently wait to see the eyes of the hunter would get a bullet.
Yes. That's terrible. It's tough in mind. Nonsense.
As it is now, I understand all you have said. Iwo, Ejowa. It is a pity.
Sharp paper. What get you? I need to tell you.
I don't talk I talk blood must flow.
Nah, man. This is the morning time. Let us go there. Have another business.
What did happen now?
Your papa.
My papa, what is my papa?
Some boys carry go.
Come here.
Your papa's.
My papa's. Where are for the happen? Where they go? Jesus. Daddy. Daddy. Oh. Hey. Hey.
Jesus.
Daddy. Jesus. Daddy. Hey.
Epa, now jubilation period. Oh.
Yes, so. Woo!
It's okay.
Sharp.
Cheers. You like good wine? You selected a good wine.
Chief.
Yes.
Chief. Chief, my belly dey sweet me. I dey happy. You know why? Because we don't finally reach our goal. Congratulations to us, Chief.
Congratulations to me, not us. I am the chief, not you.
Chief, I don't understand some of the talk. Like, they joke, I do waiting. I don't understand.
Empire. You know what? I'm gonna break the news down for you. Sure you understand? But see, if I try to talk now, see your service, we don't need them again for this ghetto. Sure you understand?
I understand.
You try, you be loyal one, you get. You try.
This is what they call smart move in life. According to Ghetto, trust no one. Abi?
If I hear your head to
Alpha, Chief. I don't understand.
you there, Chris? I don't even know 12.
Calm down.
Wait.
Calm
Wait
down.
till you won't try to do so. See, Empire no be gospel singer o. Oyoba no. Aga so we do. Do so my do be ojo. You know the guys
In case you don't know, me and Matt, she dey hear me.
It's enough. Sit.
Epa,
Sit down. Empire.
Chief.
I don't know how I love you like this. Wait, let me ask you a question. You think I just open my two clear, I allow you carry your weapon enter my house, I know they prepared. You don't know the kind of love when I get for you. See, let me warn you. And let me just tell you. If you ever try this again, I will slowly kill you. I will kill you. And I will be giving you life. As I will cut your toes little by little. For this nonsense, eh? No.
Chief only me, Edo babe. How will this get one this?
You say when you bounce, you know that yeah.
Sharp, we'll see.
If I will see this small girl.
Cheers again.
But all you do, you do not be loud. See, if I am Matthew full time, I full chest. Anybody will want to come, me price, me and Matt.
It is good to be rich.
100 really bad.
Poverty and sin.
Speak over.
Magisi, I want you to go to school, so that you will become a doctor. Doctor no anyway.
Daddy now you still get some younger ones, so if yours is late, like me now, I don't get daddy, I don't get brother, I don't get sister, so maybe I want to go on. So if you see the people with yours, stay with them, so I can do it.
but 2 to 1. 2 to 1 now.
Mama, because of you.
Ah, yeah. Kaya well.
Mama, because of you. Let me put it down.
Put big wow. Don't give me the one where it's spoiled. Big 5 one.
Mama, I have one.
Ah, yeah, thank you.
You know, okay, my I'll give you fair because of you. Now, fair, I put you. Apa Musa, I don't show. Make home. Make home. You rot in jail! Officer, officer! Yo! Officer, Officer, calm down now. Officer, calm down. Officer, wait, officer. Get me now. What the best one? Officer, what am I killing? Mistake, officer, calm down. Officer, wait.
So you know what talk?
Wait, who sent you to kill me? Okay, leave all this bloody with me. You understand? If you do not talk, you will die here. Who sent you? Who sent you?
It's okay. Larry. Who said that? Woman no tell matter. How you take kill that boy? What happen when you kill that boy? What did that boy do when you kill him? I ask question.
Officer, I no kill her, na fact.
Na fact. How you take that?
You push her.
You push her. Do time.
Let me go this way. Yes, sir.
Come here, my brother. How for you? Don't kill yourself. Police work on the car.
We need to get these girls.
What did you get? You want to kill yourself for this? I don't guess. See my friend. So you see, say I'm going to run. You see, I'm not doing it. You get me? So I guess you there for us. If you want to kill yourself for them,
kill yourself.
The security is paramount. We need to get this girl.
Let me see you will have nice. So you need to take my order.
So which report are you going to give at office?
Don't worry, no office. Forget that one. If you want to kill yourself, kill yourself.
No.
My colleague want meal. Oh, government.
Alpha, if you move, I blow your head. If you look back, I'm sure all finished. Yeah. Babes, Alpha, I want to show. Don't move, you move.
Please, good.
Pull up, put the stage.
So they want his things.
Oh, you.
They want me.
What can you say? Now be the Edo Boyz.
Oh.
Edo Boyz.
Forget it. Why is this?
If you look back.
Please. Oh.
Put the shoe. Go down. Go down.
Put the shoe.
Guy, come down. Go down.
I work for the government.
Go down.
I work.
Put the shoe.
Say, give me the.
Pull up. Go collect. Put it.
Government property.
God, put your shirts. No, they put it laugh for you.
Government property.
Can discuss everything. Put it.
Alaye, put your choice up. Pull up. Yes. Like that.
Ah.
Like down. Like that, man. Okay, like that, John.
Yeah.
Okay, like that. Why you shout? Why you shout?
That's all.
Why you shout? If I give up for the yash, why you shout?
Babe, calm down. Yeah.
And they make us they run.
Stand up. No. I want me you go meet your DPO, May you tell her say, we need guests, no get joy. And tell her say, oh yeah, I seen here, woman. You hear me? Oh yeah, move. Send back. Move.
No, the back.
Move.
Come.
That is G. They want to threaten us.
Baby, you not see their life.
Useless people.
Very useless.
And I
was war. They won't come. They come. They do anyhow. When they don't say that, they well. Man, lose guard. When they lose guard.
They lost.
Alpha. Oh, they go.
But babe,
I'm a down.
what's supposed to be?
You get in my answer.
For me, I relax. So let me go die because of police matter. See that was zoo. I dey tell her make we come out. You want call the phone gadi. Oh zoo awagbon. Obigboni yanda wa na tere yeke via ma. Ona wo so awo na kati hian. Ohun no bufo a ye ko iwa ji iwa ko wa je gbeme we ana. My also fit dey, you know understand? Ti go awon be ban even we dey be ani wa won hian. Because agbegbe wa. Yeah, ti gbegbe me wa ba me gbegbe police. Ogo ni total office kuripo. Me de gbegbe me wa. Beg my job myself here. Na relax first o.
Go.
Papa, hey there.
What they pushing?
All those guys, they don't disarm me.
Okay, you disarm me where?
They collect my clothes. They collect everything. My phone.
Wait, man, I tell you something. Me no fair tell you say, make we dey go office. Make you not pursue other guests. You know what they be. Wait, let me tell you something, Me no follow them. I know the reason. They get me so. I know the reason. I did this Benin. You me yours.
You follow me.
See, let me tell you something. You see all these people make them fair break on, Now all this stubbornness when they talk to them, they want to hear. Now they kill them so. You see me so now tell us like this so. They get me so. I they tell you say me no go. They
flog me.
In there. In the bed there. Get.
Criminal.
Stand up, please.
Modra. When sunu, as na see beat me this last night, na no sleep. Come on. Back. If not be prison where I be, officer. Wait. If nobody say they can't be now, I will deal with you again. Who is that? Mr. Do. Come on, stand up.
Yeah, people not go one, people go one. But
Mr. Where they go now?
You like the governor, what thing or you know where what bones away. You can't buy prisoner, you buy prisoner. Wow. But then Shema, what Shema was no. This one had to build well.
You 2 days language for this guy. Man, blow down. Come, stand up.
Well, say,
you don't eat food.
Like. Get me, you see this man too, you know.
If you come here again, if we arrest you again, you go collect.
If you like, go kill.
Oh yeah,
I will killer. A killer, a jungle master.
Like, see,
okay, total. Mama, total.
You're welcome. Once again, you are highly welcome. I want you to relax yourself, calm your nerves, feel at home. Everything you need has been settled. The documents, the papers, they are settled. You're a free man. So you just need to move freely and work for me. Okay?
Chief, thank you very much for bringing me out from that prison. Chief, honestly, indeed, now I see the reason why you become the Okarile of this our ghetto.
Oh, wow.
Chief, you be good person. You be good man. I think say my life don't finish for inside that prison.